We're here with Tommy Zylstra
Yes,
from Sibley, Iowa, right?
that's correct. Yep.
Okay. Go ahead and talk a little bit about Tony, probably 7-8 years ago, put our 4-link closer on how big a planter?
We've got two DB90 John Deere's 36 row, 30 inch. Yeah, we started no-till 9 years ago, and we were looking for a different closing system because of the factory John Deere one wouldn't work. We started out using some of Paul's wheels, the closing wheels, and we liked them real well. And then we heard about the 4-link, and we really like the 4-link. It seems it takes some of the pressure off the row units. Does a nice even job. We're very happy with the in no-till conditions. It's much harder to close, the slat, but with this system, it's nice and level and uniform. Just been a really good system for us.
Nate. Yeah. And you also put fertilizer on out behind the planter.
Yeah, we have 2x2x2 for fertilizer beside the row. So we use the same system, and we use the Schaffert system there too. So
Yeah.
it works nice. Gets it right down where we need it.
Yeah, Nate. These 4-link closers will give you about 9 inches of travel up and down, where you only have about 4 inches with a regular John Deere tail section. And that's where it really shines. It gives the high-speed planter guys, it separates the double disc openers from your closing system in the fact that the parallel linkage up front runs the double disc openers
Yeah.
and your row cleaners if you have them, and in the parallel linkage behind controls your closing system.
Yeah, it's nice to keep it separate.
Yeah,
I
no
think
kidding.
it works a lot better.
And we've had a lot of guys say that they're running 15, 20 pounds less down pressure on the rows where they have these on versus where they have just a regular tail section.
Yeah, that could be.
Yeah.
We don't run as much down pressure as we used to and all that.
Yeah. Nate, well, we really appreciate your business.
Yeah, well, we're really happy with the product, and the service here has been outstanding, and
Thank you.
nice dealing with your company.
Yeah.
So,
They run a Harley-Davidson dealership
Yep.
back there in Ames, Iowa. Nate. So,
yeah, if you need Harley Davidson, come to us. If anything else for farming and cook. Oh,
yep, Nate. Thank you. Thanks. Yep.